Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a quick project share, and I am going to share with you this paper pad that I received to play with. Let me get it so I can show you. So this is the paper pad here, and it is a coffee lover paper pad, and this is all of the prints that you get in the pad. And what I did is you get 2 of each print, and what I did is I separated one in each stack. And the project that I used half of the pad. So I still have 1 of each except for this one. I used this one twice. So that is the paper there, Coffee Lover. And I will have the link below where you can get this paper pad from. The paper feels good, nice to do your layerings with, So I don't think you could make a box with this paper. You would have to layer it up. But it's just an average paperweight. So it has that one there. This one here. So pretty. And this one is kind of retro looking. Really pretty. This one here. And this one. So cute. Look at all of the different cups. Then you have this plaid. This one here is kind of like a chalkboard. Got some polka dots. And then this one with all of the words, coffee, restaurant, roast, milk, barista. All kinds of words there. And this is kind of like I guess like a retro look too as well as far as the color. So that is the paper pad, and plus this one here. But I use both of those. And I do have all of my scraps, and I did throw in some solid color sheets. This paper right here is not in here. This is in my stash, but I did use it because it just looks like the coffee and cream. So that's an old paper that's retired from Hobby Lobby. So that is the papers. And like I said, I will have the link where you can get this paper. It is AliExpress. But they have so many different themes. I know I seen like a bee theme. Yeah, I want that one. That one is really nice. So now my project that I made is this little armchair mini album. And I know it's in separate pieces, and I'm calling it a mini album because I can't decide where I want to put my my little rings. So I don't know if I want to put one here and here, or if I want to put 2 at the top. So if y'all would, if you're watching this, let me know in the comments, where would you put yours? So you can wait till we flip through it so you can see everything. But I'm thinking here and here. Just have 2. Or there. I can't decide. So y'all gonna have to help me, okay? Y'all gonna have to help me. The majority votes is gonna win, okay? So I'm gonna leave it up to y'all. So this is just how I decorated the front. Really, really cute. Oh, before I flip, this die right here is from My Crafting World Designs. And she is also on YouTube and Instagram, My Crafting World Anna. I will have the link to the website, and I'll put the link to the armchair. I think it's out of stock, but I know it's coming back if it's not back already. I didn't I didn't look, but I will have the links. So when I was making this project, I was thinking, okay, I've got to make a project with the paper. So let me just use the armchair. And then I automatically just started thinking Father's Day, grandfathers with, I guess it's the color that got me, these browns. But that is going to be, I think this is going to be a good dye for a masculine project as well. But I had to put flowers on mine. So you get the base piece. Actually, you get two base pieces. Then you get the layering piece, and then you got the individual layering pieces. So you can see on the front, I used all three. I used a craft paper, then a brown, and then the pattern paper is the layering pieces that really sets off the chair. And then I just used some flowers in my stash. This flower right here also comes from my Crafting World Anna. This shaped flower here. So I just did that. This word comes with the chair die. And it also has some other little dies as well. So that is the front. And then when you flip it, here's that paper, that pattern paper. This little brown piece there is the button that comes with the chair die. And this is some of the pattern paper in the pack. And I just did a little matte piece right there for a picture. These corner pieces comes with the chair die as well. Okay. Then here is this page here. And you get the Polaroid with the chair die. And this is that pretty, pretty, pretty pattern paper there. Just layered it up. And then when you flip it over, oh, look at that paper. Look at that. Coffee shop. Freshly brewed. I love it. I love this paper. I love anything coffee. And then on this page, I just put two together so I can make a pocket. And this is just another little photo mat. Just slides in there like that. And look how pretty that paper is. And then when you flip it over, then you got this one here. That was like that retro sheets right there. You put a photo here. Really, really nice. And then here is this one here. This was the one that was like the chalkboard. Looked kind of like a chalkboard background. And this right here is actually open. Any other time I would have a desk. I would have a desk full of scraps. But now I don't. But you can see I left this part open right here. So you can slide a photo down in there. So that is that side. And then when you flip it over like this, you have this one here. You can just place your photo there. These corners are open on this side, if you want to do your photo the size of that. And then there is like little, kind of like a newspaper print of the paper. I really, really love this paper. So here is another one where I created a pocket. Look how pretty that is. And then there is just a little photo mat there. And then that's a little coffee word in my stash. And then when you turn it, there's another pocket right here. Right there. And these are in my stash. Little dies. So really, really cute. And then this is the last page here. And this is also open up there. And I just left it with this solid brown piece. So you can really see on this one. Oh, let me show you the back. And that's the back. So I did the front and the back the same. That's why I had to use both sheets of this paper. Because it is a 6x6. And this chair die measures, let me get my ruler. This chair die is approximately 4 3/4 wide. And it's like 4 1/4, 5 1/4 tall. Yeah. So, of course, you know, you put this on a 6x6, it takes up most of the paper. So that's why I use both of those. So you can see here, this layering, you got your base piece here, which is the craft. You get your layering piece, which is this one. And then you get these other layering pieces to go on top of that. So you get plenty of layering pieces, and you got options. You can either do it like this, or you can put the print. So totally different ways you can use it. But that is my coffee armchair mini album. And I also made this little dangle to go with it. And it's just got a little coffee cup and then some little brown and cream off-white beads. So wherever I put my rings, whether it's here at the top, I'll probably put this there. Or if I put one here and one here, it'll probably just go over there on the side. But y'all leave me a comment and let me know, where would you put your rings? Here and here on the side, or here and here at the top? So I need some help with that. Either way, I can do it after, even if it's finished. I know there's one right here with the flower, but I can lift that up and I can still get a hole there. So let me know. So if you love coffee, make sure you go pick up this paper pad. It is really, it's a nice pad. And plus they have probably 12 or more different patterns. I know, like I said, the bee thing, when they got some with some flowers, some roses, really pretty. Halloween, I seen Halloween. So yeah, I really like the paper. And it is one-sided, but that's okay, you know, because we're going to layer with that. So check out Anna at My Crafting World Designs. And that is my project share for today. And I thank y'all for watching. And please let me know where you would put your rings. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.